Sinasafe?
Sinasafe.
Hey, hey, yo, hey, 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 are you okay?
No
Hey,
response?
hey, are you okay?
No response.
No response.
Call.
Hey, yo, in the yellow t-shirt, call AED and come back.
Yeah. Call?
Call AED and
Hmm.
call 998 and bring AED and come back.
Perfect. No, not yet. Look, listen, and feel.
Asan na yung ano?
Sorry.
No interruptions, not more than 10 seconds. Patay na ang patient.
1,
Count.
2, 3,
Carotid pulse.
4,
Okay.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I need CPR, sir.
Negative pulse, negative breathing, perform CPR. Look at the sci-fi process muna. Where's the sci-fi process shop now?
Here, sir.
Yes, okay. Avoid that. Okay, stop. Dapat ang heel ang nandoon sa taas. Ito nga. Yes, yan. Okay? Straight ang arms, straight ang body pa forward pa. Doon palayo. Yan, perfect. Push.
1, 2, 3,
Look at your patient.
6, 7,
You're going too fast again. 9, 12, 13, 14.
15, 16, 17,
Yes.
18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
9, 1. Head tilt, chin lift, seal, and tilt the head. Tilt. Okay, yun. See mo pa rin. Okay, kaya mo na yan. Then push. Out, blow. One more. Continue.
CPR.
Sci-fi process, yung heel sa gitna ng breast, ng chest. Okay, and go.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 2.
Ilang beses ulit-ulit yan?
5.
Okay, then you're done with the 5.
Yes, sir.
Now you have to check for life again, right?
Yeah.
Head tilt, chin lift, look, listen, and feel.
One.
Chin lift, on pulse mo. Okay, go count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Positive or negative?
Anong positive, anong negative?
Positive, false, negative,
Breath. Perform. Rescue. Breath. Okay, and blow. Stop. Seal. Okay, blow. Count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
1. 10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
10. 20.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
30.
30.
Then check for life.
Good, sir.
Head tilt, chin lift nga. Count. Carotid pulse. Always count. 10 seconds. Go.
1, 2,
Look, listen, and feel.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's recovery.
Positive pulse, positive breathing.
Positive breathing.
Perform recovery position. Okay, put the arms in the count of 3.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, check the head for any injury. Check the back. Okay, check on check. What happened to me? What happened to me?
You collapse.
I'm glad. What are you doing now? Doon lang, move. What are you doing now? What are we waiting for? Who are we? What are we doing?
We will go on,
Sino bang hinihintay mo? Diba? I asked you, you call 911. So we're waiting for the
We're waiting for
ambulance.
the
For the meantime, I'll stay with you. I'll be here until the ambulance will reach to you and help you, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so what can you say about yourself?